Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable spatial video recording on iPhone 15 Pro. No special settings change or format change is required to enable the spatial video recording. Just make sure that your iPhone is updated to at least iOS 18 version. Then open the camera on your iPhone, and in the format section make sure to switch to spatial. Then, as it recommends doing, switch your iPhone to landscape mode, and to switch to video mode, tap right here. Then tap the shutter to start a video recording. To switch to a photo, tap here once again. And that's it. All the photos and videos in spatial format will have that tag at top of them in gallery. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.